This one woman's pain changed the path of India's laws forever. So 2013 Mariko, there were no clear laws around sexual harassment at the workplace. Nothing that told employers what they must do to protect their women. All that changed in 2013 when finally a law was passed. For this law to exist, for this to protect hundreds of millions of people, it began with the suffering of one woman. On 22nd September 1992, in a small village in Rajasthan, a grassroots worker named Bhanwari Devi was brutally assaulted. She was assaulted by men in her community for trying to stop a child marriage. I won't go into the details. I urge you to go read it yourself. But what happened after is a reminder of how change spreads. 3 days later, September 25th, a small outlet in Rajasthan, small newspaper, carries an item saying that this incident happened. From there, other Hindi dailies start picking it up. Just a week later, Patrika, a major newspaper, ran an article on this incident. And soon enough, women's group across Jaipur joined this fight. This chain reaction reached all the way to the Supreme Court in India, which eventually published the Vishaka Guidelines in 1997. However, it took another 15 years before this could become a formal act and law. Today, if you're an employer in India with more than 10 employees, the law requires you to do the following. Set up an internal complaints committee with at least 50% women and one NGO worker. Educate your employees and especially women about what constitutes harassment. Address complaints within 90 days, file an annual report, and a few more. I'm grateful to Bhanwari Devi and every single activist who stood by her to ensure that people today have a safer workplace than before. If you're a company in India, go read the full guidelines. And if you're an employee, make sure to send this to your employer.